Irrigation. Crop plants need water for their growth. The supply of water to crops at regular intervals is called irrigation. Uses of irrigation. For proper growth and development of plants, along with water, minerals and fertilizers are also absorbed by roots of plants for germination of seeds, photosynthesis and temperature regulation. These are the uses of irrigation. Water is essential because germination of seeds do not take place under dry conditions. Sources of irrigation. Wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals are sources of irrigation. Traditional methods of irrigation. The water from wells, lakes and canals is lifted up by different methods. Cattle or human labor is used in these methods. There are four traditional methods of irrigation. One is moat, second one is chain pump, third one is Dekli, fourth one is Rahat. Apart from this, pumps are commonly used for lifting water. Diesel, biogas, electricity and solar energy is used to run these pumps. Modern methods of irrigation. Sprinkler system. In this system, water gets sprinkled on crop as if it is raining. In this system, the perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles, this is a nozzle, on top are joined to the main pipeline at regular intervals. When water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of a pump, it escapes from rotating nozzles. It gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. You can see a sprinkler system here. This is the nozzle and it is rotating now when water is supplied under pressure. This system is more useful on the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. Sprinkler is very useful for lawns, coffee plantation and several other crops. Second one is drip system. In this system, water falls drop by drop directly near the roots. Drop by drop, water falls directly near the root. So it is called drip system. Drip system is the best technique for watering fruit plants, trees and gardens. Uses of drip system. It is best technique for watering fruit plants, gardens and trees. Water is not wasted at all. It is a boon in regions where availability of water is poor.